Welcome back to the Ray Maya channel. If you're new, hey girl, what's up? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you see in this video, which I hope you do because I'm here for y'all.
Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up at Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Birkin. I'm on a low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
Don't mind how I'm looking. I just did somebody's hair, my aunt's. You know, I'm comfortable in my own house, so we're really not even gonna get into that. But oh, also don't mind this pimple on my face. Don't mind my 2 missing nails. I'm just going through it, okay? I'm just going through it, clearly. I'm here today to open these lashes with y'all. I was gonna wait until my lash boxes came, but I really want to see what is in here. I mean, I'm acting like I don't know. I don't even remember. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I do not remember. So I'm gonna just open it. I probably should have double checked what I got, like what I ordered before I turned on the camera. But I mean, hey, you live and you learn, and I'm living and I'm learning. So I'm just opening this box. This is how it looks. Pretty. Of course, there's more bubble wrap. You know, protection is, you know. Oh, I just dropped some. Aww, she included these organza bags. I'm going to, all right, so in my business, I'm all about reusing things, recycling, all of that. So I'm definitely going to use this for a future order. And that's just what it is. Ain't no reason to throw out bubble wrap if you're going to need bubble wrap. But, oh, this is so cute. She gave me these organza bags. These are not my color. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to incorporate them yet, or if I should just give these to somebody or what. But that was really cute, really nice. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. All right, I'm about to separate these real quick just so it's not all over the place, and I'm going to show you guys. All right, so I just separated everything. I got 8 different styles, 5 of each style, so I have 40 in total. So my vendor labeled every lash for me, just so I know like which lash is which I'm gonna need to know that, so I'm glad that she did that for me. I'm gonna show you guys the lashes from smallest to biggest / most natural to most dramatic. So yeah, this is the first style. I have names, but I don't know which one is which for now. This is style number 2. These ones are really pretty. Now these first ones, I would never wear these just because of how short they are, but I do have customers that would wear these because I had a style like this one before and it sold out. There's this one. This one is really pretty too. This one. I hope y'all getting a decent view of these lashes. I'm just trying to avoid the glare. I like these ones because they're still like short enough to be considered natural or an everyday lash, but they're really full. Like I will wear these. I will wear these on an everyday basis. These ones, oh my gosh, y'all saw me wear these ones already actually. I'm wearing these in my inventory unboxing video when I have my hair up in a bun and I had the little blue tank top on. I was wearing these lashes. I love these lashes. They are just beautiful. Like I'm more of a messy lash type of person. Those are beautiful. I have these ones. And then lastly, these are the most full / longest / most dramatic ones. I I would definitely wear these. I don't know about y'all, but yeah, my lashes are they're just so cute. They're just so, like, what? But I'm getting some custom boxes because I don't want to sell them in these. Like, I've been there, done that. I'm moving past that. Like, it's okay to start off with these because obviously you're just starting off, you feel me? Like, you don't need all that extraness. But now that I already sold lashes and I know that that's something that I want to do, I'm going to invest a little bit more money to get some custom boxes. I can't wait to see them, and I can't wait to show y'all, and that's just, I just cannot wait. Also, since we here, let me show y'all my business cards. They came in the mail. I just started customizing them, actually. So I laminated all my business cards. I laminated all of them. Ooh. Because, honey, I don't want you to feel like you could throw away my business card. That's why I laminated them. I laminated them to the same thickness as a credit card. Because you're not going to throw away a credit card. Obviously, you're not going to throw it away because, number one, like, you need that. But regardless of that, it's also the material. Like, something about the material tells you, like, do not throw this away. This is, you know, you feel me? I don't really know how to explain it, but it's just my mentality of when the cards came in, they was thin. I'm going to show y'all. So when they first came in, they're thin. These are my old business cards, as y'all know. If y'all don't know, well, now y'all know. Look how, like, just flimsy. I don't know, y'all. It's nothing wrong with these business cards and the thickness. It's nothing wrong at all. I just personally wasn't feeling them because I feel like it's easy for you to throw this out. Like, when I had these, it was easy for me to throw it out. If I'm being 100% honest with y'all. Like, I threw out a lot of these cards. I'm not even gonna lie. It is what it is. But with these, I would feel a little bit bad with throwing them out. But let me just show y'all. So I did design these myself. And I wish it would focus a little bit better. Alright, it basically just says, welcome to the Rain Maya experience. VIP baddies only. You know, my logo right there. Which my logo is fire, y'all. I made that logo myself. Everybody else, they made me good logos, but I just did not. I wasn't feeling it. Like, as a business owner, you know what you want, and only you have that vision. So if it's something that you could do on your own by yourself, then I would suggest, you know, baby girl, baby boy, do it. Do it. And then this is the back. My website is right there. One thing I would say is I want to put my website up here. It's crazy because when I first made these designs, the website was up here. And then I moved it down because I saw somebody else's. And it's right here. So I'm like, I should have went with my gut instead of trying to copy somebody else. That's also another thing. Don't copy other people because you're going to be mad at yourself in the end. Like, I should have put the website right there. You could have saw it way better. Then it's just my Instagram, YouTube, email. Post your pics and tag us. Hashtag Slay the Rain Miley. Then underneath here it says, we hope you enjoy the Rain Maya experience, because you know on the front it said, welcome to the Rain Maya experience. I think I tied that together pretty well. And then I just put a butterfly, a holographic butterfly. Just because you know how, like, on the back of credit cards, it always has, like, that silver sticker back there. So I just wanted to add a little bit of a more realistic touch. So all of them have these. Oh my gosh, they just look so cute. Let me tell y'all, these is not no regular, feel me? Not no regular business cards, okay? And if I see other people doing this thing, you know it's from me. I really hope that I could start a trend. Like, I'm not one of those people that want to be stingy and like, oh, she copied me. No. If you do it, girl, you do it. But at least give me my credit. At least let people know, like, where it came from. Because at the end of the day, I did think, all the research that I went into, how can I get credit card style business cards was ridiculous, and then the prices even 10 times more ridiculous. So I just decided to try and make it myself, and I'm pretty happy with where I'm at. It's a lot of work though, because I still have all of these to cut out. I have, I think, a little bit under 200 cards. Oh, let me show y'all, because all of them don't have butterflies. Some have butterflies, some have hearts. I don't know yet, y'all, if I'm going to change to all butterflies. I really like the size and the position of the butterfly, and I really love butterflies. Like, if y'all know I got a butterfly tattoo on my back right here. No, that's too much work to show y'all. Y'all, these are really my business cards, y'all. Like, I really did that. Next, I'm about to just print out all of my thank you cards. And then, yeah, like, I got a lot of good stuff in store. I got a lot of stuff that I'm thinking about, and I'm so glad to be taking y'all with me. Like, I don't know, it's different this time, y'all. Like, it's different. There's my lashes and my business cards. I'm gonna be working on these like all day till I finish, or, you know, do half, then do another half tomorrow, whatever. But y'all, let me know what y'all think of my business cards down below.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on, wait a minute.